Financial reporting operates on a strict paradox. It demands absolute mathematical precision, yet the actual process of assembling a balance sheet or an MD&A relies heavily on subjective narrative drafting and fragmented manual roll forwards. The modern impulse is to simply plug generative AI into this workflow to speed things up. But for financial professionals, treating AI as a drop-in replacement for human drafting is a severe misconception of the tool. Large language models are built to be probability engines, not calculators. They predict the next most likely word based on patterns. They do not possess rigid mathematical control, nor do they natively generate the strict traceability required for a financial audit. When you ask a standard model to draft a financial note, you introduce a black box into your reporting cycle. A hallucinated number or a dropped decimal destroys the integrity of an audit. To achieve an actually audit-ready financial statement with artificial intelligence, you have to completely decouple the financial math from the narrative generation. This pipeline model represents an accounting agent. It acts as a rigid workflow controller, separating data, math, and narrative. Notice the strict firewall between the calculation and text generation nodes. The agent completely silos numerical data, restricting AI exclusively to narrative assistance. By constraining the artificial intelligence within a strict, rules-based pipeline, we convert a historically subjective drafting process into a controlled, audit-compliant financial engine. This pipeline begins with multi-source ingestion, raw data blocks, including trial balances for core balances, the general ledger for transaction movements, and external schedules for elements like leases or debt, flow directly into a centralized validation node. The absolute foundational rule of this system is provenance. Every single number that appears in the final output must have an explicitly defined source from these inputs. Inside the validation node, the system establishes its first critical control gate. It continuously weighs total debits against total credits, immediately identifying any imbalance. When an imbalance occurs, the system does not attempt to guess or hallucinate a fix. It completely halts the pipeline. To resolve the discrepancy, the workflow triggers a mechanized protocol known as plug logic. The logic branches into two specific paths to handle the error. Either a human user manually selects a designated plug account, or the chart of accounts utilizes a predefined plug flag to route the discrepancy. The automated math is straightforward. The system calculates the exact mathematical difference between the debits and credits and assigns that precise value to the designated plug account. Simultaneously, the agent generates a rigorous documentation log. It records the exact amount of the adjustment, the specific account utilized, and the exact reason. This is where the communication layer activates. The logged action is immediately routed to a human reviewer, demanding explicit approval before the pipeline resumes. Mechanizing the balancing act ensures that no numbers are forced into the financial statements without an immutable, human-approved audit trail. Once validated, the data enters a multi-mapping engine. Watch how a single validated account balance, like cash, splits into separate routing paths, landing simultaneously in the balance sheet, Note 4, and the MD&A liquidity section. The generation of the financial notes is governed entirely by this structure, a rigid mapping table. Columns dictating the specific account, the exact data source, and the aggregation type dictate exactly how the data flows.
This enforces our critical system rule. The numbers populating these notes are pulled strictly from the trial balance and general ledger data. They are never generated by the AI. To structure this output, the system extracts the structural template from the prior year's financial statements. The verified data simply populates a pre-approved format. This strict separation becomes even more crucial when generating the management discussion and analysis. Here, an MD&A mapping table takes over, enforcing predefined materiality thresholds to determine which fluctuations actually require an explanation. The sequence of operations is strictly linear. First, the system mathematically computes the variances between periods and identifies the underlying data drivers. Only after the math is locked does the pipeline engage the large language model, and strictly to assist in wording the variance explanation. For example, the AI is allowed to draft the grammatical sentence structure explaining a revenue drop, but it wraps that language around a locked, unchangeable variance percentage extracted directly from the math node. This mapping architecture successfully insulates the core financial logic from the AI's text generation. It guarantees that the narrative always perfectly matches the underlying math. This brings us to the final operational stage. This interface is the browser-based review workspace, where the machine hands the completed draft back to human experts. Within this workspace, preparers and reviewers interact directly with the document. They edit text, adjust the layout of tables, and refine the final formatting. The interface facilitates a communication-controlled workflow loop. The system generates the draft, reviewers submit targeted comments, preparers execute updates, and management provides final sign-off. Operating in the background of this entire process is a continuous version control system that captures every single interaction within the workspace. Every edit logs specific metadata. The system records precise user identification, captures exact timestamps, tracks specific changes made, and maintains full revert capabilities to restore prior versions. This continuous logging transforms what used to be a highly subjective, hard-to-track editing process into a fully transparent, unbroken audit trail, spanning continuously from the raw trial balance to the final report. This architecture functions as a unified factory line. It integrates structured data, mapping logic, human judgment, and constrained AI, pulling raw data into finalized outputs. But the system's compounding benefit reveals itself over time through this feedback loop. Template learning. As documents are finalized, the system saves and memorizes the final approved wording, table structures, and formats directly from the review workspace. Applying this memorized, human-approved content to future reporting periods continuously reduces the manual effort required and enforces enterprise-wide consistency across all filings. This addresses the primary concern professionals have regarding artificial intelligence. This architectural system is explicitly designed to support and elevate accountants, not replace them. By offloading the mechanical assembly, human professionals transition from manual data gatherers into strategic reviewers, overseeing a controlled, deterministic system. The workflow hierarchy is clear. The AI handles the initial drafting. Human experts refine the context. Reviewers approve the underlying logic, and the system permanently remembers the result.